Hello, and welcome back. Today, we are going to improve your English fluency by spending a day at the office. The tone today is calm, relaxed, and professional. We will use the double loop method. First, I will say a sentence. Then, you will hear it broken down slowly. Finally, I will say it again. Your job is to listen, repeat, and shadow my voice. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and begin our workday. I arrive at work early.
I arrive at work early.
I arrive at work early. I swipe my badge at the door.
I swipe my badge at the door.
I swipe my badge at the door. The office is quiet this morning.
The office is quiet this morning.
The office is quiet this morning. I say hello to the receptionist.
I say hello to the receptionist.
I say hello to the receptionist. I place my bag on the desk.
I place my bag on the desk.
I place my bag on the desk. It is time for morning coffee.
It is time for morning coffee.
It is time for morning coffee. I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer. I check my inbox first.
I check my inbox first.
I check my inbox first. There are many unread messages.
There are many unread messages.
There are many unread messages. I reply to the urgent emails.
I reply to the urgent emails.
I reply to the urgent emails. I create a list of tasks.
I create a list of tasks.
I create a list of tasks. My calendar is full today.
My calendar is full today.
My calendar is full today. The team gathers for a meeting.
The team gathers for a meeting.
The team gathers for a meeting. We discuss the new project.
We discuss the new project.
We discuss the new project. I take notes in my notebook.
I take notes in my notebook.
I take notes in my notebook. The manager shares the timeline.
The manager shares the timeline.
The manager shares the timeline. We share our creative ideas.
We share our creative ideas.
We share our creative ideas. It is a very productive meeting.
It is a very productive meeting.
It is a very productive meeting. It is finally time for lunch.
It is finally time for lunch.
It is finally time for lunch. I heat up my food.
I heat up my food.
I heat up my food. I sit with my colleagues.
I sit with my colleagues.
I sit with my colleagues. The break goes by quickly.
The break goes by quickly.
The break goes by quickly. I return to my desk.
I return to my desk.
I return to my desk. I put on my headphones.
I put on my headphones.
I put on my headphones. I need to focus deeply.
I need to focus deeply.
I need to focus deeply. I finish the monthly report.
I finish the monthly report.
I finished the monthly report. The deadline is approaching fast.
The deadline is approaching fast.
The deadline is approaching fast. I double-check all my work.
I double-check all my work.
I double-check all my work. The afternoon is very busy.
The afternoon is very busy.
The afternoon is very busy. I schedule a call for tomorrow.
I schedule a call for tomorrow.
I schedule a call for tomorrow. I start to clean my desk.
I start to clean my desk.
I start to clean my desk. The workday is almost over.
The workday is almost over.
The workday is almost over. I shut down the computer.
I shut down the computer.
I shut down the computer. I say goodbye to everyone.
I say goodbye to everyone.
I say goodbye to everyone. It was a good day.
It was a good day.
It was a good day. Great job today. You have completed your day at the office. Repeat this session to improve your confidence. See you next time.